Alright, so we are looking at, when it eventually wants to start, trigonometry, calculating the unknown side, and given the angle and another side. Okay, so solve for the unknown value in the following and round the answer to 2 decimal places. So we're given sin 48 is equal to x over 15. Now, when you start with a decimal, with a fraction and your numerator is there, is an x, this is what you have to do. You have to take the 15 and you have to put it on this side. Now, putting it on this side, straight away, because you're crossing the equal sign, you have to do the opposite of what it was doing. So this is doing divide by 15, you jump over, you're now timesing it by 15. So it looks like this, 15 times by sin 48 is equal to x. Now we used to always have x on the left side and all our working out is on the right hand side. It doesn't matter if you leave it there, but I've moved it over. So you put that into your calculator, 15 times sin, and this is what it looks like. X is equal to 11.147. Now we only want 2 decimal places, so we look at the 7. The 7 is big enough to bump the 4 up, so that becomes a 5. X is equal to 11.15, and that is how you show you're working out. Now let's look at it when the x is on the denominator. So here you've got cos 22 is equal to 19 divided by y. Okay, now what you do in this case is when it's at the bottom, you swap the cos 22 and the y spots. They swap. So remember, when it's at the bottom, okay, when he's at the bottom of the well, he has to swap spots with him. So he swaps spots and it becomes y is equal to 19 divided by cos 22. So you actually put that into your calculator. 19 divided by cos 22, and you get 20.492. That 2 is not big enough to change the 9, so it becomes 20.49. All right, I want you to go ahead and try some of those for me, please.